All right, picture this. You're knee deep in a massive code base, racing against a deadline, and your AI coding assistant suddenly hits a wall. Either it flakes out on complex tasks or burns through your budget like it's trying to fund a space program. What if the tools you rely on every day could actually handle real world dev chaos without constant babysitting? Or worse, what if picking the wrong one means wasting hours fixing its mistakes instead of shipping features? So we've tested both Claude Code and Cursor head to head, and I'm seeing one pull away in ways that could totally change how you code. So hang in there with us as I break down the battle. And again, this is just my take on it. I'm not saying anything conclusive. So as always, I'd love to hear your guys' response to this. So make sure you leave a comment down below. But I'm going to give you my take on these two tools today and go head to head with Claude Code versus Cursor. Let's dive into this today. So this Dev AI showdown between Claude Code and Cursor, it isn't just hype. It's about tools that either boost your productivity or leave you debugging their output for hours. So I've put both through the ringer, drawing from my time as a software developer, building everything from startups to enterprise systems. And the difference hits hard on speed, smarts, and staying power. Now, again, drop a comment down below on which one you're using because I'd love to get a vote on this. But it's absolutely my favorite part of these videos is to read your comments, and it's the best compliment I can give. So make sure you give me those comments down below. Now, Claude Sonnet 4.5, powering Claude Code, keeps chugging through tasks for over 30 hours straight without losing steam. Now, Cursor shines in quick edits, but starts to stumble on marathon projects, at least from my experience, where it needs deep context. So I've seen Claude handle full stack apps with like 11,000 lines of code, while Cursor feels more like a sprinter for daily tweaks. That endurance means fewer interruptions while you're refactoring big code bases overnight. Now, Cursor's interface is slick for VS Code users, but Claude's memory tools prevent forgetting key details across sessions. So let's jump into some of the release notes here and talk about this because we know that Claude Sonnet recently just released 4.5, right? And they're touting it as the best coding model in the world. Now, they're not the only ones saying that, and I'm going to go ahead and back that up with some other reviews here too. Say code is everywhere, it runs applications, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's jump into this, right? So very first thing is it says, for software engineering bench, they show that they're 4.5 is one of the highest scores here, right? Now, next, they're also going through and showing how Sonnet benchmarks almost every one of these benchmarks. See, there's a couple that they're down on, but most, they're right on top with. Now, they also start talking about the finance, and I'm not going to go through all of these with you here because I want to talk more about, I'm not just going to read you their list here. If you like this clip, make sure you check out the full Startup Hack Live video here because we've got lots more for you today.